Welcome back to another episode. Today, we are going to build a Python Django biometric registration application together. This is going to be part 1 of a series of videos where I will be showing you how I designed and developed this Python Django biometric registration application. Our app is going to be using the HID Digital Persona 4500 fingerprint scanner for purposes of enrolling the user's fingerprint biometric data. To start us off with, I want to show you the basic sections of this Python Django biometric application. So at the very top here, we are going to be having a header image. Right below it is the biometrics engineer particulars section. Here is where I enroll the details that I am going to save for that particular person, or rather the consultant. This is where we are going to enroll the consultant's details. Then right below that is where we have the biometrics fingerprint enrollment section. Here is where I am going to enroll the biometrics fingerprint data. On the left, we are going to have an image of the left hand with all the 5 fingers displayed there from the left hand. And then on the right side, here, we are going to have the right hand. Right below that section, we will have these 2 buttons here. That is the one for cancel on the left and the one for submitting the enrolled particulars of the person and their biometrics data. At the footer is details on how you can contact me. So the first one is my website and my blog, and then this is my email address, and there is the handle for my main biometrics channel, that is biometrics, and then there is the handle for my biometrics shorts channel. Let me take you through the HTML code that brings about this web page. Here's the code. This bit here, this one, is the one that brings about this footer section here. This is the code that I implemented for these 2 buttons. This bit right here is the one that is responsible for the biometrics fingerprint enrollment section. That is for the left hand image display and the right hand image display. This one here, the right column, is the one that is responsible for these input fields here. And then this bit here for the left column is the one that is responsible for these input fields here on the left. So basically that's it for the part 1 of this video series, where I am going to design and develop a Python Django biometric registration application using the HID Digital Persona 4500 fingerprint scanner. Stay tuned for part 2, where I will add the header image here, add the left hand image, add the right hand image, and also add a favicon that will appear here at the top. Let's meet in part 2 and build this Python Django biometric registration application together. See you